Difficult times happen to good people, and if you find yourself looking for a respected and trustworthy DUI attorney but aren't quite sure where to start, let us offer some assistance. Chances are you have concerns and questions that you'd like answered before choosing an attorney, and we want to help by giving you the free report and checklist titled How to Find the Right DUI Attorney. This report provides a list of questions you should ask all DUI attorneys you talk to, and it contains a checklist to help you make the best decision possible. This guide is truly a must-have for anyone considering the services of a DUI attorney. To get your free report, simply complete the form on this page and download it now.